Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. We often fill every quiet space with noise, movement, or distraction. Stillness can feel uncomfortable, even unproductive. Today's quote invites us to reconsider what stillness actually offers. Stillness isn't an empty, it's where understanding arrives. This quote reminds us that stillness is not a lack of activity, but a different kind of presence. When the mind stops reaching for answers, insight has room to surface. Understanding doesn't force its way in, it arrives when we stop crowding it out. So much of what we seek becomes clear only after we slow down. In stillness, patterns reveal themselves, emotions settle, what once felt confusing begins to make sense. Not because we figured it out, but because we allowed space for clarity to emerge. Stillness doesn't demand effort. It asks for permission. And when we give it that permission, we often find that what we needed to know was already waiting. As you begin your day, allow yourself a few quiet moments without trying to solve or improve anything. As the day unfolds, notice when you feel the urge to fill silence and see what happens if you let it remain. And this evening, reflect on what became clearer when you stopped trying to think your way through it. Here's a simple tool to carry with you today. When things feel unclear, pause briefly and ask, what might I notice if I stopped searching for answers? And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Quiet reveals what noise conceals, and clarity follows stillness. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.